371 young creatives from 17 African countries joined us for a 2-week experiment. For the longest time, I've always believed that Africa doesn't have a talent problem. Yes, it may have an access problem, an infrastructure problem, a mentorship problem, but truly the talent is already here. In 2024, I set out to build Light Design Factory, something I truly hadn't seen before. The vision was layered but extremely clear: to democratize creative work and bring the African voice to the center of global conversations around design, technology, storytelling, and innovation. As we started, we realized we needed people who understood what it meant to build with integrity, impact, and excellence. We looked for creative partners globally, ones that could grow with us. But to our surprise, we couldn't find them. So, we decided to build them. And that decision became the Light Design Lab. For 2 weeks, we challenged participants to think differently about creativity, technology, ownership, and their role in shaping Africa's future. At the end of that journey, we selected 10 fellows. It wasn't simply about talent or skill. What mattered most was alignment with the vision and a shared commitment to what we were building together. The 10 fellows completed a 12-week incubator program and have since spent the past year working on real projects across the wider Light Design Factory ecosystem, from campaigns and publications to social impact initiatives and major events, including the Pan-African Interior and Intentional Design Summit, which attracted over 3,400 participants from across Africa and the diaspora. And that decision truly changed everything. Within months, the wider Light Design Factory ecosystem was invited by the World Bank and Eden Venture Group to participate as an institutional partner in conversations around AI, creativity, social impact, and storytelling. For us, that was confirmation that we are building something meaningful. And now, this is where it gets truly exciting. We're preparing for the next chapter, the next cohort, and we're looking for a small number of visionary partners who want to help shape the next generation of African creative talent while solving real life, real business challenges at the same time. Whether you're launching a new product, entering the African markets, refreshing your brand experience, exploring new ideas, or simply believe in investing in emerging talent, this partnership is for you. At Light Design Lab, we believe we're building builders. The people we invest in today will go on to build companies, institutions, brands, and communities and contribute meaningfully to Africa's economic development. Because when talent is given access, opportunity, and the right support, everyone benefits. And that truly excites me. It excites us. My name is Osaru Alile-Abraham, and if any of this resonates with you, we would love to have a conversation. Let's build together.